Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best DC power supplies of 2025. Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, a professional engineer, or running a lab, these power supplies offer the precision, reliability, and features you need. We'll break down the top models, comparing voltage range, stability, portability, and safety features so you can find the perfect power supply for your projects. Be sure to check the description for all the product links, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more great tech reviews. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, the NATF Adjustable DC Power Supply offers user-friendly features and smart technology for those who need precision and protection. Unlike traditional models, this power supply uses an encoder button for effortless and accurate voltage and current adjustments displayed in real time on its bright LED screen. It's equipped with an OCP function that stops output and sounds an alarm if short-circuiting or overloading occurs, ensuring your equipment's safety. Additionally, it includes 2 fast-charging USB ports, allowing you to power your devices while working. The automatic switch between constant voltage and current modes based on load needs makes it highly adaptable. Whether for labs, schools, or personal DIY projects, the NATF power supply is a highly reliable tool that combines safety, convenience, and smart design. Number 4. For those in need of a compact, powerful, and adjustable power source, the WTech Adjustable DC Power Supply is a solid option. This device offers both fine and coarse adjustments for voltage and current, providing precision control for various tasks. With an LED display that clearly shows voltage, current, and power, you'll have no trouble monitoring your projects. Safety features like overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating protection ensure your projects are handled safely. The temperature-controlled fan keeps it cool during operation while minimizing noise. Plus, it's versatile enough for use in labs, workshops, or even for charging batteries. With dual voltage input options and simple operation, the WTech Adjustable DC Power Supply delivers convenience, reliability, and accuracy for any power supply needs. At number 3, the Nice Power Dual Channel Power Supply offers unmatched versatility, making it a must-have for anyone who needs flexibility in their power solutions. With dual channels, you can operate them independently or combine them in series or parallel, ideal for various applications like symmetrical bipolar power outputs or higher current needs. Switching between modes is easy with the one-button series parallel toggle, simplifying complex setups. Its precision encoder knob ensures accurate voltage and current adjustments, while the bright LED display keeps everything visible. Built-in protection from overheating, overvoltage, and overcurrent, along with a smart cooling fan, guarantees safe and efficient operation. High-quality materials like pure copper terminals enhance durability, making this power supply a long-lasting, reliable tool. Whether you're in a lab, workshop, or handling advanced electronics projects, the Nice Power Dual Channel Power Supply delivers on all fronts. At number 2, for those who need precision in their power supply, the WTech DC Power Supply is designed to impress. This device boasts high accuracy with 0.01 V and 0.001 A measurements, making it ideal for meticulous electronics work. Its large backlit LED display ensures you can easily monitor settings, even in low-light conditions. With safety at the forefront, this power supply includes overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating protection, giving you peace of mind while working on sensitive projects. Lightweight and compact at only 2.6 pounds, it's easy to transport, making it perfect for on-the-go professionals. The added USB port allows you to charge your mobile devices while you work, adding convenience. The intelligent cooling fan ensures quiet, efficient operation. Whether you're working in a lab or tackling DIY projects at home, WTech's energy-efficient design and durable build make it a solid investment. At number 1, if you need a compact, versatile, and reliable power supply, the WTech DC Power Supply is a fantastic choice. Weighing only 2.6 pounds, it's highly portable, yet it packs serious power for a range of tasks. You can precisely adjust both voltage and current using simple resistors, making it ideal for detailed work. The 3-window LED display shows real-time voltage, current, and power, giving you full control at a glance. Whether you're charging batteries, testing equipment, or doing electronic repairs, This unit performs with stability and accuracy. Plus, it offers multiple protections, including overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating safeguards, ensuring your safety and extending the life of your equipment. The fan is temperature controlled, keeping noise low and the machine cool during operation. For anyone in need of a dependable, user-friendly power supply, whether for the lab, workshop, or home, WTech delivers performance you can trust.
Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.